Spoons. Where are we going, Ev?
Marrakesh.
Marrakesh.
Morocco.
Woohoo. Hey, Adventure Bears here, and today we are at
Marrakesh.
So we come all the way to Marrakesh and we're stopping in the Club Dar Atlas Hotel Resort.
We are.
So hopefully we'll show you some little bits. Whoop, whoop. You got a little shop there, does little knickknacks and things, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And then you can get the shuttle bus just over here, can't you, on the front?
You can.
It's another little shop over there. And then this is the front, that's where you go in. With a pretty have. So this is the reception, guys. There's your lovely fountain. Reception just over there. Get through the changes just here as well, just there. And then your activities are in that corner over there.
Yeah. That's where you can put the shuttle bus to go to the Marrakesh market.
Yeah, and you've got your bar just there, behind Ev there. You've got some lot of silver jewellery, quite cheap actually, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then you can get some photos here if you want some photos. There's usually some person here, but he must be having his lunch. Yeah, lovely little seats, little thing. And there's your excursions just there. All sorted. So we made it to the hotel and we're going to check out the room.
We are.
We're in 501, if you want to request 501, stop in the same room as us. Yeah, we can also show you another room, 508, because we're with some friends. So we can show you that as well. But we're going to go in, we've only literally just put our bags in the first bit, so we'll show you what it's about. Then we get in now. We didn't even know where the lights are yet, do we?
Nope. So you've got a toilet there?
Toilet, there you go, nice. Toilet.
Oh, that's the
There's your bathroom.
shower.
Oh, that's quite big, isn't it? Hey, that's us. There's your shower. Nice and clean. Well, clean enough at least, anyway.
We've got a little safe.
Little safe, that's free of charge, by the way. That's just our bags there.
Storagey bits. Hangers for your clothes and things like that.
Oh, what kind of stuff?
Little stool.
Oh, nice, lovely bedroom.
Yes. This is the best part though, isn't it?
Yeah. We've got a tally there, guys. We don't know what that's about yet. I haven't tried.
It's coming out here.
Yeah. And open this.
I assume you unlock it somehow.
Was that it?
A few moments later.
So don't use that one, guys. Use the one this side. It's very nice, like magic, isn't it?
It is.
Anyone think we haven't used the door?
We've only got one chair.
We've only got one chair?
I'll steal one.
Yeah, so that's pretty much our room, isn't it? This is like a sofa, but it looks like a spare bed, to be honest, doesn't it?
Yeah, it did say you can fit in 3 people.
Yeah, we've got a nice double bed.
Tally.
Nice big tally there.
An aircon up there.
Aircon up there. I've got the remote for. So yeah, I mean it's okay, isn't it?
It's cute.
Cheap and cheerful.
It is.
You see what's in the fridge?
They do give you a bottle of water.
I wonder if that's refreshed every day. Changed.
You
Hopefully
never know.
so. Yeah, that's about it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. So we go for a drink now?
We are definitely.
Definitely.
Due one.
Let's go. This is the Atlas bar, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Yeah, that's where you get your drinks. Just there. There's the barman, he's good. And there you get your drinks. And they will bring them over to you, but we just go up, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. We do now.
Watching the football.
Morocco?
Yeah.
Come on, Morocco. What have we got in here, Ev?
Cocktails.
And a
Entertainment.
party.
Yeah.
A party, let's go. So, we're just having a walk around, seeing what's about, aren't we?
Yeah.
Seeing what we can find.
Yeah.
Got a nice little garden at the back, haven't we?
Yeah, we have.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's like oranges or lemons or something on the trees, isn't there, as well?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
The complex is massive,
It's
isn't
pretty big, to be fair, isn't it?
it? Yeah.
So what we understand, there is like 2 resorts, but they're joined. And you get to use the facilities of both, but we've only stayed in the one, so not too sure. The aqua park's been closed. I've got an aqua park here, which is a few slides, but it's closed from October, isn't it? So
Yeah.
we've not been. But yeah, we found something over here. We'll show you there. There you go, guys. Lovely little lake and some seats you can sit on. Oh, it's very nice, isn't it?
Yeah, very pretty.
Okay, so it looks like we found the what's that?
Club Mini Papillon.
Yeah, I'm not too sure.
It's sports.
Sports.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a little tiny play area there.
Yeah, a little baby pool.
I think this is another secret bar, isn't there? We were told about this, but we haven't quite found it until now. But it's all good, isn't it?
Yeah, they've got tennis courts and stuff. Yeah.
Tennis courts.
Yeah.
Some, whatever that game is. Little mini pool there. That looks very nice, doesn't it?
Oh, and there's volleyball.
Volleyball over there. And that, what's this? Like you say, this is the tennis courts. And there, yeah. It's one of our friends over there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
His name's Frank.
Yeah.
He's just there in the white top. Frank, the Frenchman. Very nice guy. Give you some whiskey, didn't he?
He did.
He did.
Very strong.
Very strong.
Yeah.
Should we see what else we can find, Av?
Yeah.
I think there's another pool over there.
I think so.
Yeah.
Boop, boop.
Ah, so this is the secret pool that we heard about. And I think this is the spa and the other bar thing and stuff.
Yeah.
Just over here. So yeah, it's all good fun. We haven't actually ventured down this way, so not too sure what's down here when it's open and things, but it's the same as all the others. Quite quiet anyway and stuff, to be honest, so
yeah.
we haven't actually need to come down here, have we?
No. Yeah, you can.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, wow.
Very fancy. And stuff there, so there's some of the drinks, guys, that you can get. You have to pay for them ones. You can get all-inclusive ones though as well.
Yeah. Atlas Sunrise.
Atlas
Very
Sunrise,
nice.
that's what you've been having, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a fancy bit, isn't it?
Very nice.
Eating there, maybe. Looks very posh. I think this is the end because we've got no path left. Oh, that's very nice, isn't it, Sav?
It is very
Yeah.
nice.
Oh, guys, so we hope you've enjoyed this. It's been a nice, short, sweet one.
Yeah.
We haven't showed everything. We've just had a really relaxing time, to be honest, and that's what this holiday's been about, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's been amazing. So we do recommend the Club Dar Atlas Hotel Resort.
Definitely. The staff have been brilliant. The resort has been fantastic, and it was really
amazing.
nice and cheap. So,
It has been amazing, hasn't it?
yeah.
Yeah, we highly recommend it. So if you are coming for a cheap holiday, come to Morocco. But if you like this one, guys, don't forget, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to come here. Anything you've seen here that you fancy. But yeah, if not, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bye.